Alright, so there's no information online about this, but I figured it out. So here's where the plug-in is. So with the pins, far left is turn indicator, which would be here, right here. Okay. The brake is, where is it? Here. This is the brake light here. And home of the ground. And then backup is here. So that's the last pin. And then the hazards is here. And you can just follow this pin. Where does it go? It goes up and around, and it's right here. Right there. And this pin, you follow it, and goes right here. Backup light. Alright. And then this pin, follow it, it's right here. That's the turn indicator. Turn indicator. So, you got your wires right here. Turn indicator, brake, ground, backup and hazard. Ha ha! Alright, I got it fired up. I got a reverse light hooked up here to back up the last pin and the ground. The last pin and the ground. So I got a ground and the last pin. So let's put her in reverse. Yes. Bazinga! Victory. Well, the weather's gotten awful again. 40 degrees. It's supposed to be 70 tomorrow and it's 40 right now. That's the northeast for you. But anyway, I got this, the brake lights, I got the lights in there. It's just a rough cut. But I think they look pretty good. And I got the skirt bolted on. Alright, coming along. So I'll tackle the other side, and I put my bull bumper back on after repairing all the rust. So got that sucker on. Heavy. Thing weighs a ton. I don't even know if I want it on there, but you know, I imagine if I hit a deer with this thing, my truck would be fine. So, alright, well, moving right along. Today I'm working on a few things. Got this galvanized metal box I'm putting in here. Alright, and I'm working on the other side of my brake skirting. So I'm going to cut that, fit that in, try to get that bolted up on the other side. I got to drive this thing soon, running out of time. Oh. Getting the other skirt in here. Trying to rivet. Yeah. 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 Cold in here again. Probably 50 degrees. Not very inspiring weather. Ah! Jesus. Ah! God. Ah. Well, I've got to put my license plate in here somewhere, so I'm trying to figure out a bumper bumper scheme. I've got the brackets on there, a couple started. So much better. You know, less of a relief, shorter, very nice, very nice. Compared to that, gah! So, working on this other taillight deal, but trying to figure out a bumper idea. So maybe I can come down and across here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out here. I put the rubber grommets in there, and that's pretty awesome if you ask me. Hell yeah. Check it out, I got the brake lights in there. I got this skirt on there. Yeah, looking good. They're all wired up. Technically, I could drive this thing if I wanted to. I did run into a problem, and I'll share it with you. This from here to here is 2 inches longer than from here to here. So I did something wrong there. I mean, the back, it's 2 inches off, but the back is fine. It's in the center. It's centered. But somehow, when I pushed it forward, it went too far this way. So it's askew by 2 inches, and I don't know if I should do it over, pry it off of there, and then push it. But or just leave it. I don't know if it's going to put any stress on it. So, anyhow, looking good. it went. Nice drive I had. Well, I need wheel bearings, caliper, exhaust. I got an exhaust leak. And I need exhaust. And, you know, and then the completion of the whole thing, whatever. But as far as driving it, I don't think I can drive it like this. But I got to address the unequal position of the box. That troubles me. So I'm going to look into that. Well, I don't like how off-center this is, so it's 2 inches that way too far. So I took the bolts out, and I'm going to see if I can pry this thing off. I don't know, it seems to be on there pretty good. It's always trial and error, isn't it? Man, I always make these stupid mistakes, but I always correct them too. So I got it pulled off, obviously, and I'm going to get the measurement correct. Now I got to clean all this up, re-glue it. Not a big deal, really. And I got to re-drill the holes. So, all right. Let's go ahead and see if it centers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.